Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something that I think hopefully will be pretty cool. I haven't tried them yet. Wireless guitar effectors. So I haven't opened this up yet, and I'm not endorsing it. I am going to put a link in the description, an affiliate link if you want these, but hey, watch the video first and let's see if they're any good, because I haven't tried them yet. My understanding from these is that they're wireless transmitters, so you don't need a guitar cable, but hey, that's a pretty typical thing. But these ones apparently have professional guitar effects: clean, bluesy, flanger, tremolo, and metal. So that seems pretty awesome. This, if they work, would be a pretty sweet Christmas gift for a guitar player, I think, because you can, have those effects on hand right next to you and not have to worry about buying a bunch of pedals and stuff. They're rechargeable and everything. So, well, let's get this guy opened up, take a look at what we're dealing with here, and then test them out and see if they actually work. Well, guys, what do you think? Those are kind of nifty, hey? You know, like, you got all these effects right there. For some reason, I wanted to say in your pocket. It's clearly not going to be in your pocket, but they're right there at your fingertips. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to trade in my pedal board and my cables for it, but pretty cool. Be interesting on stage and stuff like that. And an interesting gift, I would think, for somebody who, for example, doesn't have a whole bunch of guitar pedals or hundreds of dollars rather to spend on them. These are notably cheaper than all of that. So pretty interesting way of getting all those effects and the transmitter thing at the same time. A couple things to note though. One, in case you were worried, yes, it does fit just fine on a Strat. No problem. Two, just because it fits on a Strat does not mean that it fits on everything. I cannot get it to go. It simply won't work on this. This is my Ibanez S320. I know some guitars have it done this way. That's not going to work. And three, I've only charged the batteries one time just now before I started doing this. So I have no idea how long they last. They could be several hours, several days, half an hour. I have no idea. They've lasted the entire time that I've used them, which is not very long. All right, another wildly nifty thing I just discovered about this. Not only do you have these effects available to you right here, but there's also an output jack. So let's say your kid isn't very good at guitar. You don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on pedals. Well, now you've got these effects here. You can play them through an amp. And also, if you don't want to listen to it anymore, well, there you go. You can plug it right into a set of headphones, transmit right into your friggin' ears. That's awesome. Also, this one's got an input, all right? Output, input. So this one that goes into the amp, well, now it comes with, pardon me, an 1/8 inch cable. So you can get an adapter to Lightning if you're using a new iPhone. But in any event, headphone cable, you plug it into there and you can play your phone right through, or your iPod or whatever it is, right through your amp. So I wasn't super excited about these before because I was thinking, okay, I can transmit, whatever. I've got a cable. I'm not going to trade in all my pedals for this. The effects just aren't of the same quality that you get from a few $100s worth of pedals. But now, I mean, I can play a backing track through my amp. I can do this and listen to my guitar quietly while the wife is sleeping and stuff like that. So I might actually practice for a change. There's there are definitely some upsides here. I'm very excited about this now. Just for those reasons, if nothing else, because let's be honest, I'm probably not going to use these to play through my amp all that often. I've got the other stuff that I like to use, but with those extra couple features, that's a bit of a game changer for me personally. So again, link in the description if you want these. I'm going to try and make it an affiliate link so it helps me out if you use it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, but I'll give it a shot. Either way, you can go to tomtop.com and look these up if you don't want to do that. And yeah, I hope you guys think they're cool. Like I said, they seem like they'd make a good Christmas gift. I think I might order another set for a friend of mine right away here, because now I'm actually going to keep these. Okay, as always, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it at least interesting, if not helpful. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We've got lots of cool stuff coming out, particularly on this guitar right here. So stick around, stay tuned. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.